one that will be added to the list. Haider Ali. Oh, it's a wide delivery. One run added to the total. One less run needed to score. Heart rate is at an all-time high here in the com box. Attempted Yorker. Worked away nicely by Haider. He is showing some maturity out there in the middle.
Or beyond his years.
Okay to give him a single. A full toss. And he's got hold of that one. That is one of the most important sixes of Dhruv Parash's career. What a hit.
Oh my days, what a hit. Tanzim blinked first. And look at the expressions of the Bangla faithful. High full toss. Bang. Up and over cow corner. Dhruv Parashar, you played the biggest shot of your young life. 4-0 or 4.
Well, it's gone on the roof. And it's pin drop silence. This game to go into the super over. It's already too much of drama and entertainment. 4 runs needed of 4 deliveries. Discussion in both camps.
Spare a thought for young Dhruv Parashar. He's just 20 years of age.
Oh, absolutely. I think nerves of steel from this young man. He knows the job is not yet done. Tanzim. Slow delivery. That is outstanding. Dhruv played all over. And the game turns the tide in favor of Bangladesh.
What a delivery to bowl under pressure. That is courage for you. Is it a fair delivery? Yes, it is. The back of the hander on length. And Dhruv missed it. You miss. I hit. The drama continues.
Well, you can see Haider's reaction says it all. It was not needed. Dhruv Parashar walks back after scoring 11 of 7. Bangladesh back in the game. 202 for 8. Then it's going to be Matiullah. 4 needed of 3 deliveries inside the 30-yard circle. Pushes it for a quick single. They will get that quick single round in that UAE camp.
Well, Asif Khan is almost beside himself. I can feel you, mate. Our hearts are thudding in our chests as well.
3 needed of 2 in the field now. The deep flying leg has come inside the 30-yard circle. The mid-on falls back to long on. Oh, that's a wide delivery. Yes, no situation. Throw at the non-striking end. And it's been calculated to the total. So they need 2 of 2 now, Ahmed, and it's a free hit.
The nerves are frayed. It was a fair delivery there, but the height of the ball was well above waist height of Haider Ali. Bangladesh may have just lost this game here on this delivery.
Just a bit too much of effort. They're going to have a look at the run-out opportunity. Matiullah with the dive, and that dive has saved him. So great game awareness from Matiullah. He's ensured that he gets back into the crease in time.
The green light confirms it. It's a free hit, 2 needed of 2. 173 is the highest chase UAE has ever done in T20 internationals. We're on the verge of history.
Up and over. They're looking for the second. Will they come back? No, they won't. Yes, no, yes, no. Have they made it in time? I'm not sure. UAE are on their feet, but you have to wait for the umpire's confirmation.
Why did they wait for the second? It was in that hole between deep point and deep cover. There was always 2. Sliced, decent connection. They should have set off immediately. Tauheed Hridoy, he even double faked the throw. But the victory will be with UAE.
Well, what a moment this is for the UAE cricket fans, for the UAE cricket team. They've beaten Bangladesh in the T20 international game for the very first time. The celebrations are on, and the Sharjah Cricket Stadium yet again is witness to history in the making.
Double confirmation. He didn't slide the bat, but he made it in time. UAE may have pulled off a heist.
Well, the decision is on the big screen, and that is a declaration that UAE have beaten Bangladesh for the first time ever. And this, yet again, is going to go down in the history books.